how to listen to Spotify songs offline. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to listen to Spotify songs offline. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, before we begin, make sure that you have Spotify Premium subscription as downloading music for offline listening is only available for premium users. And here with that, let's open the Spotify app first. And now here, once you're inside the app, just find the song that you want to download. And now here, once you're inside the song that you want to download, you can either add a plus sign or download that particular song as well. And now here, once the playlist have been created and you have downloaded that particular song, what you can do is you can just tap on the library, which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And here in this section, you can just select the playlist. And now here, once you have selected the playlist, you can just tap on download icon or download option, and Spotify will begin downloading all the songs in the playlist to your devices. And after the download is complete, you can listen to your music even without an internet connection. And here to find your downloaded songs, you can just open library and swipe across filters at the top, and there you'll see the downloaded options as well. And that's it. That's how you can listen to Spotify songs offline on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.